Today I'm going to be showing you how to make flowers with the flexi paste. I've colored it yellow and green. I will need a rolling pin, some dusting corn flour. I have the basic Dresden and the balling tool and everything, and I have glue and a brush, and I have a foam pad. I also have a center for the rose which I have already made and kept with gum paste, and I have the cutters. So for the rolling of the paste, I normally take a little shortening and I apply it on the table. I rub the rolling pin also with a little paste, and then I start. So this you will get, as you start practicing with this paste, you will realize what works best for you. So using the cutters, I will cut out the different sizes I need. So I have taken the smallest ring and I'm just frilling the sides a little. So where I have frilled on the other side, I will put a little glue. Take this and just close this up. Then next we go to the three that we have. And then just kind of lay them off in a line. Just reapply the glue again and put it around the flower. Roll this up. So now you see, it's a little more opened up. These petals are a little more opened up, and we can leave them to set up. We can leave them overnight for them to dry out slightly and to get its shape. These are the roses. This is the rose which I had made 2 days back, and as you can see, it is still flexible. Now this I had made about 4 days back. So after about 4 days, as you can see, it is still flexible. It's not dried out hard, but it has dried out a little. See. Yeah, so with this paste, your flowers remain flexible for about 2 to 3 days. 3 days, but then after that they are flexible, but they are not hard set.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।